Hi, I'm Al, and I got the new Evolution S28MAG 1 1/8 inch magnetic drill. It comes with this molded carry case for portability. This is how everything looks out of the box. A little assembly is required, and you're ready to go. First, simply attach all three handles like this. Once the handles have been attached, simply flip the lever up here and lift up the head, checking for smooth movement. Once you're comfortable, then proceed by locking the head. Now you need to check if the machine is operational. You have your on and off switches here. This switch here is for the magnet. Be sure to check the thickness of the metal you're working on, as the minimum for the optimal magnetic adhesion is 3/8 of an inch. Also be sure to check first that the metal surface isn't primed or painted, as this too will affect the power for the adhesion. As you can see, this guy's going nowhere. Try all you want, this isn't moving an inch. Next, turn the power on. It has a soft start system. Once you're satisfied the machine is in working order, it's time to proceed with the assembly. It comes with a safety strap, 2 maintenance Allen wrenches at 5/64 and 1/8 of an inch, a 13/64 wrench for the chuck adapter, a coolant tank and hose, a 1/2 inch chuck and key, the guard, and a couple of wing nuts. So we're going to install the coolant bottle now. First off, install the cap screw and the spring washer into the hole here and finger tighten. Then hook the plate over the screw head and slide the bottle in place. Then simply push the hose in here and you're ready to add the coolant. Once the coolant is added, you can use the valve here to regulate the flow of coolant. The guard is installed next. There are machined holes in the magnet here. Use the supplied wing nuts to hold the guard into place. Now you can take your desired cutter size to be used. There are 2 flats on the cutter here. Pick your point and line up to the locking screws. Fully tighten the right screw first and then do the same with the second screw. You will see I fitted the cutter wearing gloves. It's recommended to do so, and also when clearing the nest or slugs after the cut. Never wear gloves during operation, as the material could get snagged and cause injury. To check the cutter is square and running correctly, gently bring down the cutter so it touches the metal and lift back up. You should see a perfect ring in the metal. There's a chuck and key included. To fit, it's the same application as fitting an annular cutter bit. Once the adapter is secure in place, simply place your desired size of twist drill bit in place. This machine can fit to a maximum capacity of 1/2 inch bits. So there you have it, the Evolution S28MAG 1 1/8 inch magnetic drill. With best-in-class 3-year manufacturer's warranty, a guaranteed tough and versatile tool for your fabrication work. And thanks for watching.